Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Spanish with Ed. In this video I want to focus on a few fluency boosters in Spanish that you can memorize and have at your disposal to quickly increase your fluency. And I'm going to split this into two videos. Here are the boosters we're going to talk about in part 1. Ir plus a, and this will quickly let us move from future and also talk about the past. The second is acabar de, and that's when when someone has just completed an action. We'll use the present tense conjugations of the verb ir plus a to talk about going to, and we'll use the past imperfect conjugations to talk about was going to do something. Here are the present tense conjugations for the irregular verb ir. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. And if you just add a plus another verb in its infinitive or unconjugated form, that's a quick way to throw it to the future. Let's look at some examples. If the verb for to call is llamar, how would you say, I'm going to call you tomorrow? You have two options. Voy a llamarte mañana o te voy a llamar mañana. And how would you say, are they going to come? And the verb for to come is venir. It would be van a venir, van a venir. And how about, we are not going to go? No vamos a ir. No vamos a ir. Okay, now that we've learned how to quickly throw something to the future, let's look at the same trick, except now we'll say that someone was going to do something. Here are the imperfect past tense conjugations for the verb ir. Iba, ibas, iba, íbamos, ibais, iban. And if you just add a plus another verb in its infinitive or unconjugated form, that's a quick way to talk about what someone was going to do. Let's have a few examples. So how would you say, Ana was going to help me? And the verb for help is ayudar. It would be, Ana iba a ayudarme. Ana iba a ayudarme. And how about, I was going to do it for you? Iba a hacerlo por ti. Iba a hacerlo por ti. And how about, were you going to call her? ¿Ibas a llamarla? ¿Ibas a llamarla? And how would you say, we were not going to drink it? And the verb for to drink is beber. No íbamos a beberlo. No íbamos a beberlo. Now let's have a look at acabar de. This is the booster you're going to use to say that someone has just done something. Here are all the conjugations for acabar. Acabo, acabas, acaba, acabamos, acabáis, acaban. So how would you say, I just ate? It would be, acabo de comer. Acabo de comer. And how would you say, we just saw her? And the verb for to see is ver. Acabamos de verla. Acabamos de verla. And how would you say, but you just got home? And to say get somewhere, Spanish uses the verb llegar, which means to arrive. Pero acabas de llegar a casa. Pero acabas de llegar a casa. So when using acabar de, you'll notice that although we use the past tense in English, you'll always use the infinitive form of the other action verb with this booster. If you found this video at all helpful, please give it a like so that YouTube shows it to more people, and that will help the channel grow. And please don't forget to subscribe so that you're notified when I upload new lessons. See you in the next one.